Has your HP printer stopped working right after canceling your Instant Ink subscription? Well, your printer's just fine. It just won't work with Instant Ink cartridges after your subscription ends. The solution is to replace them with regular HP cartridges. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to remove those Instant Ink cartridge and install new standard HP cartridges so your printer starts working again. Or, if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, turn on your printer. Now, open the ink cartridges access door on the front of the printer. The ink carriage will automatically move to the center so you can reach it easily. Wait a moment until your printer is completely idle and silent before you continue. And hey, if you're waiting here, go and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future printer tutorials. Lightly press down on the ink cartridge to release it from its holder. Once it's released, carefully pull the ink cartridge straight out. Now, take your new standard HP ink cartridge out of its packaging. Carefully remove the plastic protective tape using the pull tab. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts at the bottom or the ink nozzles on the cartridge. Touching those can cause clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Hold the new ink cartridge by the side with the nozzle facing towards the printer. Carefully insert it into the right side slot at a slightly upward angle. Push the cartridge in and then push it up until you hear and feel it snap into right place. You'll know it's secure when it clicks. Now, repeat the exact same process for other ink cartridges in the carriage slot. Remove the old one and install the new standard HP cartridge the same way. Once both cartridges are installed and locked in place, close the ink cartridge access door. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.